गुड इवनिंग सभी प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी को मेरा शाम का नमस्कार। मैं सी भारद्वाज फ्रॉम भारद्वाज टीचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म से आप सभी का वेलकम करता हूं। बच्चों आपको पता है जैसा कि हमने सीबीएसई बोर्ड क्लास 12 यूनिट नंबर 1 चैप्टर नंबर 1 सॉल्यूशन को स्टार्ट किया था। उसकी सीरीज में आज हमारे पास लेक्चर नंबर 6 आने जा रहा है। और स्टूडेंट्स, इसी सीरीज में आपको कल हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में हेनरीज लॉ के बारे में बताया था, उसके डेफिनेशन, उसका स्टेटमेंट, उसके एप्लीकेशंस, लिमिटेशंस। उसी सीरीज में आज स्टूडेंट्स हम हेनरी लॉ पे न्यूमेरिकल करने जा रहे हैं। तो लेट स्टार्ट टुडे क्लास। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन है आपके सामने, न्यूमेरिकल है। द पार्शियल प्रेशर of Athens over a saturated solution. Over a saturated solution containing 6.56 into 10 की पावर -2 ग्राम ऑफ एथेन is 1 bar. Students, bar is the unit for pressure here. Okay. Now, if solution contains contains 5.0 into 10 की पावर -2 ग्राम of एथेन, then what will be partial pressure of the gas. Okay friends, this is about numerical. How to solve this numerical? Let's see. Okay, solution देखते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू हेनरीज लॉ स्टूडेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू हेनरीज लॉ मास ऑफ एथेन जो है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है किसके? पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ द गैस। mass ऑफ एथेन। डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा पार्शियल प्रेशर okay, this is about Henry law. Now we know very well the relationship between in both m directly proportional किसके हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा आपका KHP। okay students, now इसलिए here put instead of m m1 upon m2 equal to p1 upon p2. This is about Henry's law. Now put the value here. m1 6.56 into 10 to the power minus 2 grams. 6.56 into 10 to the power minus 2 grams upon m2 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 grams. 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 grams. This is about m2 students. Okay. Now P1 1 bar indicate in the question is 1 bar. Okay. P2 calculate. Okay students. Now this is cancel out about them. 6.56 upon 5.0 equal to 1 upon P2 or P2 equal to 5 upon 6.56. This is 0.762 bar. This is about question. Partial pressure is 0.762 bar. This is very important for your upcoming examination. Okay students, now take a screenshot. Okay students, clear? Okay. Now another important topic is, let's see now. Next, now important term is dissolution. This is very important for in small marking numbers, that is 1 mark. It is also very important definition. Dissolution. What is dissolution, friends? When a solid solute is added to a solvent, some solutes dissolves and its concentration concentration increase in solution. This process is known as dissolution. Okay, students, this is about dissolution. What is dissolution? Dissolution is a process in which some solutes are dissolved, and of them some are dissolved in solution and then increase the concentration of solution. This process is known as dissolution. Okay, students? Okay. Next, it is also very important term, crystallization. Crystallization. This is also very important, students. देखते हैं what is crystallization. Some solute particles in solution colloid with the solute particles. And gets separated out of solution. This process is known as crystallization. So students, this is also important definition for short marking. Okay. Next, saturated solution. Saturated solution. This is also very important definition. Now, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. Without change in temperature. Without change in temperature and pressure. is called saturated solution. So what is saturated solution? Solutions are which a solute no more dissolve without any change in temperature and pressure are known as saturated solution. तो आप ऐसा कह सकते हैं प्रिय बच्चों कि एक ऐसा विलयन जिसमें आप क्या कोई सोल्यूट विले और अधिक नहीं डिजोल्व कर सकते बिना किसी टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर के परिवर्तन किए, तो वो आपका क्या होता है? सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन। अगर उसमें आप टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर में चेंज लाते हैं तो उसमें जो सोल्यूट की अमाउंट है वो दोबारा से डिजोल्व होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट टेक स्क्रीनशॉट। ओके, next unsaturated solution, a solution in which more solute can be dissolved is called as unsaturated solution. This is about unsaturated solution. Okay students, next so this is about unsaturated solution. Next, now we start another important topic in this chapter, vapor pressure. So let's see what is vapor pressure. First of all, we define vapor pressure, then explain all of you what is vapor pressure. The partial pressure, the partial pressure, the partial pressure of vapors in equilibrium with pure solid or pure liquid, solid or liquid at a given temperature is called वेपर प्रेशर। VPV से आप स्टूडेंट्स कह सकते हैं। वेपर प्रेशर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू बताया जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स। रिएक्शन लिया आपने, वाटर लिया लिक्विड फॉर्म में इसका, दिस इज ए साइन ऑफ रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन। दैट मीन्स दिस सब्सटेंस convert in this substance and this substance also again convert in this substance. This is known as reversible reaction. Or what is that? Equilibrium. Equilibrium is a process, is a condition in which the concentration of this substance equal to the concentration of this substance. That is, both substances concentration equal in equilibrium. Okay. Water. This is gas phase, that is vapors. This is liquid phase, that is liquid. Okay. Now, equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant apply. That is Kp. This is equilibrium constant equal to amount of product upon amount of reactant. Partial pressure of water in gaseous form, that is vapors, upon partial pressure of water in liquid form. This is about vapor pressure. Okay. Now, for pure water, for pure water, P liquid is equal to 1, then Kp equal to vapor pressure. This is about vapor pressure. So students, what is vapor pressure? The partial pressure of vapors in equilibrium. The partial pressure of vapors in equilibrium with pure solids or pure liquids. This is a pure liquid, that is water. At a given temperature is called vapor pressure. तो vapor pressure क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? किसी भी गैस का आंशिक दाब, पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ अ वेपर्स इन वेपर्स फॉर्म in equilibrium with pure solid or pure liquid at a given temperature is called vapor pressure. For example, pure liquid, this is pure vapors. It is a reversible reaction in which liquid converted into vapors, then vapor also converted in liquid. Equilibrium constant Kp equal to vapors, liquids. For pure water, if P liquid equal to 1, then Kp equal to P gas. That is about vapor pressure. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Okay students, now this is the lecture number 7. Sorry, 6 lectures coming. This is the lecture number 7. Okay, about solution. Now we discuss a very important rule. This is Rolle's law. This is a very important. Student, this is a very important law for your upcoming examination. Rolle's law. Rolle's law. One minute. clean completely board for proper sheen. Now we start roll slow. Rolls low. This is a type of liquid type of solution. Okay. Now, what is roll slow? The partial pressure, the partial pressure, the partial pressure at which for each, the partial pressure for each component is directly proportional to mole fraction, mole fraction in solution, at a constant temperature. This is about roll slow. What is roll slow? The partial pressure for each component. प्रत्येक कंपोनेंट का जो पार्शियल प्रेशर होता है वो स्टूडेंट डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मोल फ्रैक्शन इन ए सॉल्यूशन एट ए कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. दिस इज अबाउट रोल स्लो. नाउ व्हाट इज द डेरिवेशन फॉर दिस? According to Rolle's law, partial pressure A directly proportional to mole fraction A. partial pressure B, कोई कंपोनेंट B है तो उसका जो पार्शियल प्रेशर होगा वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मोल फ्रैक्शन कंपोनेंट बी होगा. दिस इज अबाउट रोल्स लॉ. पी ए इक्वल टू एक्स ए, पी ए इक्वल टू एक्स ए इंटू पी नोड ए. इसी प्रकार से पी बी इक्वल टू एक्स बी इंटू पी नोट बी. अकॉर्डिंग टू डाल्टन्स लॉ, अकॉर्डिंग टू डाल्टन्स लॉ स्टूडेंट्स, टोटल प्रेशर इक्वल टू पार्शियल प्रेशर ए प्लस पार्शियल प्रेशर बी. दिस इज अबाउट total pressure of a solution according to Dalton's law. Now students, according to Rolle's law, the partial pressure component A directly proportional to the mole fraction of component A. Partial pressure of component B directly proportional to the mole fraction of component B. P equal to बराबर x into P node A. Similarly, Pb equal to xb into P node B. According to Dalton's law, the total pressure of a solution is equal to the partial pressure of that solution. That means Pt, T for total, P for pressure, equal total pressure equal to partial pressure of component A, partial pressure of component B. Now put the value of partial pressure A and partial pressure B. That is D. This is D. Now put the values. Equal to PA XA P naught A plus XB P naught B. This is from here. Okay, students. Now solve the equation PT equal to 1 minus XB P naught A plus XB PB or PT equal to P naught A plus P naught B minus P naught A into X naught B. This is about Rolle's law. So this is a derivation for Rolle's law. Students, this is a statement of Rolle's law and this is a derivation of Rolle. Okay, students? Okay. Here, because XA plus XB equal to 1. Chali. Let's see the screenshot, and now we solve a numerical on Rolle's law. Chali. Now, very important question on the basis of Rolle's law. What is numerical? The vapor pressure of pure liquid say the vapor pressure of pure liquids A and B are 450 mm and 700 mm of mercury Hg respectively at temperature 350 Kelvin. Find out the composition. Find out the composition of the liquid mixture if total vapor pressure is 600 mm of Hg. also find the composition in vapor phase. Also find the composition in vapor phase. Okay students, this is about question. This is a very important question for your upcoming examination, and previously many times repeat this question in your examinations. Okay, now solve this question. Solution. How to solve this question? First of all, we find the values which are given in question. P naught A equal to 450 mm of Hg. This is given in question. PT 600 mm of Hg. Okay. PV P naught B equal to 700 mm of Hg. Okay. What is calculate? Mole fraction upon A, mole fraction B, composition B and composition A. This is calculated about the question. Okay students, now P total equal to P naught B plus P naught A minus P naught B. This is from Rolle's law equation, mole fraction. This is a Rolle's law equation, previously proved. Okay, mole fraction of A, mole fraction of A equal to in liquid equal to 100 upon 250. This is 0.4. Okay, now mole fraction of B in liquid. This is mole fraction of B in liquid phase. We know 1 minus mole fraction of component A, that is 1 minus 0.4. This is 0.60. Now we know partial pressure of A equal to mole fraction pure component A equal to 0.4 into 450 mm equal to 180 mm of Hg. This is about from P. Now similarly PV. Now similarly PV. PV equal to mole fraction of P naught B equal to 0.60 into 700 equal to 420 mm of Hg. This is about for component B. Now we know very well PA equal to, this is YA and PT total. YA बराबर क्या होता है, मोल फ्रैक्शन ओके, ऑफ A in vapor phase, so that is PA upon PT equal to 180 upon 600 equal to 0.30. Now PB equal to YB PT, that means equal to PB, similarly PB upon PT equal to 420 upon 600. This is 0.70. In above equation, note, in above equation YB greater than YA from the equation. This is 0.7, this is 0.3, 0.7. So vapor pressure is more rich in component. Okay, so B is more volatile liquid. B is more volatile liquid than A. This is about students numerical. This is a very important numerical for all of you for your upcoming examination. Now let's see, take the screenshot. Okay students, today class stop here. Now tomorrow another important topic cover of solution. Okay, thank you very much.